Gamers, creators, and power users, get ready. This laptop isn't just an upgrade, it's a performance beast. Meet the latest generation Funyet N150, built to dominate with next-level specs, immersive visuals, and jaw-dropping cooling tech. High-level performance at its core, this machine is powered by Windows 11 Home, the blazing fast Intel Core i7-14650HX processor, and the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Laptop GPU. With NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, DLSS 4, and Max-Q technologies, you're unlocking desktop-level performance in a portable design. Whether it's AAA gaming, 3D rendering, or heavy multitasking, this system unleashes raw power. Fast memory and storage speed matters. That's why the Funyet N150 comes loaded with 16 GB of DDR5-5600MHz memory for seamless multitasking, plus a massive 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, so you can load your entire game library in seconds. Dynamic display and visuals are everything, and this laptop doesn't disappoint. You get a 165Hz FHD Plus display that makes every frame buttery smooth, whether you're gaming or creating content. And thanks to a new ACR film layer, you'll enjoy richer contrast and reduced glare even in tough lighting conditions. State-of-the-art cooling power means nothing without cooling. That's where ROG Intelligent Cooling comes in. With an end-to-end vapor chamber, tri-fan technology, and Conductonaut extreme liquid metal on the chipset, this laptop stays cool, quiet, and performance-ready even during marathon gaming sessions. Full surround RGB and stealth mode, and because style matters, the Funyet N150 rocks a 360 degrees RGB light bar that syncs with your keyboard and peripherals. But when it's time for work or professional settings, just flip on stealth mode to instantly turn off all lighting for a refined, distraction-free look. So here's the question. With next-gen performance, lightning-fast memory, stunning visuals, advanced cooling, and customizable RGB style, is the Funyet N150 the best gaming laptop of 2025? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dive reviews and gaming tech breakdowns.